Hello everyone. Today, I would like to introduce the charm of eel cuisine in Japan. The reason why Japanese eel cuisine is said to be delicious is deeply related to the farming techniques and cooking methods that have been cultivated over a long history. Eels, which occupy a special position in Japanese food culture, produce a variety of flavors through regional traditions and artisanal techniques. Furthermore, in recent years, farming techniques that take environmental protection and sustainability into consideration have been developed, allowing more people to enjoy delicious eel with peace of mind. Chapter 1: The History of Eels in Japan. The relationship between Japanese people and eels is ancient, and eel bones have been excavated from Jomon period ruins, so it is believed that eels have been eaten for more than 5,000 years. Since ancient times, eels have been valued as a nutritious food, and in the Nara period, songs about eels were written in the Manyoshu. The name kabayaki appeared in the Kamakura period, and at that time, the cooking method of cutting eels into chunks and grilling them on skewers was common. In the Edo period, eel became more familiar to the common people, and was often served at food stalls as eel kabayaki. It was especially popular as a source of stamina in the summer, and the custom of eating eel on the Day of the Ox in the Doyo period also spread during this period. Furthermore, unique cooking methods were developed in each region, and eel dishes with distinctive regional characteristics were born. Chapter 2: Differences between Kanto and Kansai cooking methods. Eel cooking methods vary greatly by region, and are divided into Kanto and Kansai styles. In the Kanto style, the mainstream method is to grill eels by splitting them open along the back, then steam them once and grill them again. This steaming process removes excess fat and makes the meat plump and soft. The elegant flavor of the steamed eel is its characteristic. On the other hand, in the Kansai style, eels are cut open and grilled over an open flame without being steamed, resulting in a fragrant exterior and juicy interior. Grilling slowly over charcoal concentrates the eel's natural flavor and brings out its fragrant taste. In addition, eels are called mamushi in the Kansai region, and the culture of eating them finely chopped like hitsumabushi is deeply rooted. The differences between Kanto and Kansai do not only affect the way they are grilled, but also the taste of the sauce and how they are served. In Kanto, sweet and spicy soy sauce-based sauces are preferred, while in Kansai, slightly spicy sauces are mainstream. In addition, since eels are not steamed in Kansai, the skill of a craftsman is more important in grilling them. Furthermore, in the Tokay region, there is a unique way of eating eels called hitsumabushi, which is characterized by a three-stage method of eating them first, as they are, then adding condiments, and finally enjoying them as ochazuke. These differences in food culture create the depth of eel cuisine. Chapter 3: Evolution and Sustainability of Aquaculture Technology. In recent years, the development of aquaculture technology has played an important role, as natural eel resources have decreased. By managing the appropriate rearing environment and feed, farmed eels can be adjusted in fat content and meat quality, making it possible to supply eels of stable quality. In addition, the latest research is developing technology for complete aquaculture, and efforts are being made to prevent resource depletion. In addition, efforts to protect resources and introduce traceability are being promoted with the aim of sustainable aquaculture. For example, some farms use environmentally friendly feed and thoroughly manage water quality, realizing the supply of eels that consumers can eat with confidence. In addition, improvements in aquaculture technology have led to the production of farmed eels that not only have stable quality, but also have a flavor similar to that of wild eels. In addition, resource management is being emphasized not only from a Japanese perspective, but also from a global perspective, and the development of aquaculture technology that complies with international standards is also underway. For the sake of a sustainable future for eels, companies, research institutes, and fisheries are working together to make new efforts every day to cultivate eels for the next generation. Chapter 4: Cooking Techniques and the Secrets of Deliciousness. The deliciousness of eels also depends heavily on cooking techniques. Craftsmen spend many years honing their skills, so much so that it is said that it takes 3 years to skewer, 8 years to split, and a lifetime to grill. The techniques for butchering eels, the degree of grilling, and the preparation of sauces are all based on the experience and skills of craftsmen, creating the best flavor. The differences in cooking methods in each region, such as Kanto-style, steaming and Kansai-style open-fire grilling, create the diverse flavors of eels. In addition, the sauces are also unique, with sweet soy sauce-based sauces often used in Kanto and slightly savory sauces in Kansai, allowing you to enjoy different flavors in each region. In addition, there is also a particular attention to how eels are grilled. For example, charcoal grilling gives the eel a crispy, fragrant exterior and a fluffy texture inside. In addition, adding a steaming process before grilling removes excess fat and gives it a more refined flavor. The taste changes greatly depending on the type of charcoal used, the heat, and the grilling time. So the craftsman's technique is very important. In addition, in order to maximize the flavor of the eel, there is also a commitment to how the sauce is made. The secret sauce passed down from generation to generation is added and matured, creating an exquisite compatibility with the eel. These cooking techniques support the depth of Japanese eel cuisine. Chapter 5: Eel as a Japanese food culture. Eel has a special presence in Japanese food culture. The custom of eating eel on the summer day of Doyo no Ushi has been a tradition that has continued since the Edo period, and it has the meaning of preventing summer fatigue by eating nutritious eel. In fact, eel is rich in nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin B group, DHA, and EPA, and is popular as an effective food for recovering physical strength. In addition, each region has developed its own cooking method and seasoning, and a variety of eel dishes are enjoyed. For example, various dishes such as hitsumabushi, unaju, and umaki egg roll with eel have been invented and are loved all over Japan. In particular, hitsumabushi is popular with many people because it can be enjoyed in different ways at once. Furthermore, eel has become a food that is loved not only in Japan, but also in countries around the world. Unique eel dishes have been developed in China and Taiwan, and smoked eel is also popular in Europe. As traditional Japanese eel dishes spread overseas, the appeal of Japanese food culture is also being spread to the world. Recently, due to the increasing health consciousness, the nutritional value of eel has been attracting renewed attention. Eel is high in protein and rich in vitamins and minerals, so it is being re-evaluated as an effective food for beauty and health maintenance. Along with this, new eel dishes are being developed, and creative dishes using eel and healthier cooking methods are being devised. Summary. As mentioned above, the reason why Japanese eel is said to be delicious is because of the long history of farming techniques, the ingenious cooking methods in each region, and the skills of the craftsmen who support them. In addition, a new eel culture for the future is being built through efforts in environmental protection and sustainability. Eel is also deeply popular as a part of Japanese food culture, and is a food ingredient that is attracting attention worldwide. We hope that in the future, more people will be able to enjoy the deliciousness of eel by adopting new techniques and cooking methods while preserving tradition. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a high rating. Your support will encourage us to make future videos. Thank you for watching.